ZipCAD Pro by Coutts Design is a full-featured handheld CAD program with features such as several CAD tools, DXF importing and exporting, a unique walls, window, and door tool. Floor plans can be drawn in the field quickly and accurately and then downloaded back at the office. The Disto Plus by Leica Industries is a powerful distance meter. Its features include a high degree of accuracy, long-range measurement capability, and scope sighting. These characteristics allow users to gather field measurements precisely. The Disto Plus and ZipCAD Pro both excel at collecting and generating field information individually. However, link them together with Bluetooth, and the result is unprecedented speed and accuracy for creating as-built documentation. Let's take a closer look. We begin by selecting the Walls and Gaps tool from the main toolbar. For this example, we will be drawing 4.5-inch walls and specifying the inside wall line. To begin a wall, select a starting point, a point along the wall direction, and the outside of the wall. With ZipCAD, you can then enter an exact wall length using the pop-up keypads. Or, using Bluetooth, connect to the Leica Disto Plus to upload measurements directly. A triangle icon appears in the drawing representing the location and orientation of the distance meter in the room. The circular icon represents the point in the room to hit with the laser's beam. Pressing the Enter button of the distance meter takes the measurement and uploads it to ZipCAD. The 9 direction arrows are for entering the direction of subsequent wall segments. The laser and target icons update to show the proper location for taking the next measurement. When the wall direction changes, ZipCAD intelligently determines that a corner is being drawn. However, when a subsequent direction is the same as the previous direction, ZipCAD alternately draws openings, such as a window or door, and walls. Notice that the target point remains fixed as measurements are made along the wall. ZipCAD receives the total length from the distance meter and calculates the offset to determine the exact length of the opening or wall segment. When an opening, such as a window, is drawn, and an alternate opening is desired, such as an inward swinging left-handed door, the change can be made on the fly without quitting the Walls and Gaps tool. For this demonstration, we are drawing walls at 90-degree angles. ZipCAD supports any angle for walls, including fractional degrees. Here, a simple cased opening without a door or window is selected. Often in the field, furniture or equipment, such as a furnace, makes it difficult to place the distance meter in the corner of the room to make a measurement. You can change the direction of the distance meter while measuring a wall by tapping the laser icon in the lower right-hand portion of the screen. Because ZipCAD is an intuitive, full-featured CAD system, drawings can be edited and cleaned up in the field while performing measurements. Here we select a wall cap and delete it. The wall lines are trimmed to form a corner with the corner tool. ZipCAD has several convenient viewing tools. Here we use the Extends tool to view the drawing in its entirety, and then simply drag the stylus to zoom into a new window. The start of a new wall is often offset from a known point in the drawing. To start a wall that is offset, tap the known point, select the offset direction on the distance meter, and then shoot the offset distance with the distance meter. The offset start point is updated in the drawing. As before, begin the wall segment by tapping the wall's direction and a point outside of the wall. The length of the wall segment is then taken with the distance meter. When measuring along a wall that begins with an outside corner, it is difficult to accurately hit the corner with the distance meter's laser. Tapping the laser icon in ZipCAD, the user can relocate the distance meter to the outside corner and specify a new target point for the laser. Subsequent measurements will be correctly calculated from the new target point. As the plan is drawn, ZipCAD automatically pans the view to show the current location of the distance meter and the location of the target point. If the distance between the two is greater than the window size, ZipCAD will temporarily pan to show the location of the target point, so the user can confirm the measurements are being calculated as intended. The colors assigned to window and door features, such as the sill, glass, doors, and door swings, is customizable by the user. Here we have drawn an inward swinging single door. ZipCAD has several door styles and attributes to choose from. Users can specify the type of door, jamb, the swing angle, the type of swing line, and more. Door attributes can be changed on the fly and even modified later after the measurement is made. You can pan and zoom the drawing at any time using the PDA's hard keys. When closing a wall, it is not necessary to enter a distance. Simply tap the wall to be extended to, and ZipCAD will snap to the wall and perform the intersection. Double tapping the icon for the Draw tools restarts the Walls and Gaps tool to begin the next wall. Here we again start a new wall offset from an existing point in the drawing. Once we have our offset point, we start the wall as before by tapping, shoot its length with the distance meter, and then close the wall by tapping. The last wall of our demo is a center-defined wall. Here we simply tap the start and end points of the wall, and its intersections are calculated for us. The finished floor plans can be exported to scale as a DXF file back at the office by simply hot-syncing. With ZipCAD and Disto Plus, you can leave the laptop, sketchpad, and measuring tape back at the office. And without the need for a second person to handle the tape and call off dimensions, one person can now do the work of two when it comes to creating as-builts.